Hey everyone. So I decided to start a little side project while I was waiting for my finish kit to come in. And this is that side project. So one of the things I've done in my RV10 that's not stock is I put deflector valves in my heat tees so I can control left, right. I'm also going to use a servo of some sort to control the amount of heat flow. So instead of a push-pull cable, you're going to just be able to turn a knob and control the heat. That means the people in the back can have a knob to control their heat, the people in the front can have a knob to control their heat. Well, individual servo controllers can be kind of expensive, so throughout my searching I discovered that a microcontroller called an Arduino, which is one of these, can be a servo controller. This guy right here. I'm not going to move it because all these wires are just temporarily placed for prototyping. But basically what it allows me to do is the knob for the front passengers will be able to control heat, so they turn the knob up. This servo, or a servo, will control the amount of heat. And then the passengers in the back have another servo, so if they turn up their knob, they'll get more heat and less heat. And they're completely independent from each other, so the people in the front could want more heat, the people in the back could want less heat. Well, one of my thoughts was, since I've got a microcontroller in here instead of just a regular plain Jane servo controller, I can do some cool features. For example, if say I've got a kid in the back and I don't want to reach back and adjust their knob for them, I can put in an override switch. I flip this switch, and now both front and back are controlled off the same knob. So it's kind of like the rear control lockout switch on some minivans. So that's my project. This has a lot more capabilities, so we'll see where it goes from here and check in later.